Beltway Appliance and Air Conditioning is one of the most trusted air conditioning and appliance companies available in the North Houston, Texas area. We personally answer our telephones and strive to set appointments the same day if at all possible. Beltway Appliance and Air Conditioning has knowledgeable and fully trained technicians that work on Bosch, GE, LG, Profile, and Viking appliances, front-end loaders of all makes. Beltway is a family-owned and operated business that will save you money and do the job right the first time. Call Beltway Appliance and Air Conditioning now at 281-350-9002 or 281-361-7232. That's 281-350-9002 or 281-361-7232. Call today and we'll see you today. Have a blessed day.